my friends, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sidima Onyamba, and today I'll be sharing a super simple skincare routine that is perfect for beginner. If you are confused about skincare and you don't really know where to start, seriously, it's not your fault to be confused because there's a lot of products out there. Okay, but in today's video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you step by step so you stop getting confused. And please, my friends, watch this video to the end because I'm going to be sharing tips on how to save money and avoid common mistakes. As someone that is new to skincare, the first thing I'm going to advise you to know is to know your skin type. Because if you don't know your skin type, you're going to make so many mistakes and you're going to waste your money on things that you don't need. And to do that, you need to cleanse your face. Yes, after cleansing your face, leave your face bare for 30 seconds. You do not apply any moisturizer or anything on your face. And after that 30 minutes, for someone that has oily skin, you're going to notice that your face has produced oil on its own without you applying any moisturizer or whatever. And if you notice that your skin is tight or notice that I see your face like it's shrinking or something, that means you have dry skin. If you notice that you're oily on some part of your face and dry on some part of your face, that means you have combination to dry skin. But if you notice that your skin is normal, like it's not dry, it's not oily, that is just normal, that means you have normal skin. And seriously, you don't know what God has done for you. Now that you've known your skin type, the number one thing you're going to need as a beginner is your cleanser. Yes, cleanser, something you wash your face with. Yeah, maybe you don't know what is cleanser. Please try to avoid bath soap. Yes, try to avoid some bar soap, some of them. If you have dry skin, please go for hydrating cleansers like CeraVe hydrating cleanser or face fact hydrating cleanser. Go for these type of cleansers if you have dry skin. For oily skin, please go for foaming cleansers. Okay, look for cleansers that are gentle, yes, but it's going to still cleanse your face without stripping it of its natural oil. Okay, you can choose CeraVe foaming cleansers or face fat foaming cleansers, or go for the Neutrogena oil-free cleanser. If you have normal skin, you can seriously get away with anything, but just use cleansers that are gentle, okay? If you have combination to dry skin, please go for foaming cleansers. If you have combination to dry skin, also use that foaming cleansers. You can use the CeraVe or Face Fact foaming cleansers too. Step 2 is moisturizing. We have talked about cleanser, so the next step now is to moisturize your face. A lot of people keep moisturizing, but to tell you the truth, moisturizing is really important because it's going to help to keep your skin barrier healthy and prevent dryness. Even if you have oily skin, don't think you need to skip moisturizer, please, because your face needs it. And when you think, oh, I have oily skin, and you now start skipping moisturizer, seriously, your face is going to break out more. Because when your face lacks that moisture, it's going to start crying for help. And because of that, it's going to even produce more oil because it's trying to moisturize itself. So I would advise you to not take your moisturizers for granted. So if you have oily skin, because you have oily skin and you're not afraid, go for moisturizers that are lightweight and oil free. This moisturizer is really lightweight. I love this moisturizer very well. I have oily skin, like I have oily acne prone skin. See how lightweight the moisturizer is. Okay, so you can go for this moisturizer. Okay, or you can go for Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. You can go for any moisturizer. It's not much that you're going to go with the one I'm recommending here. You can get to check the moisturizers yourself. Look for moisturizers that you see that is written oil free and lightweight. And some moisturizer they even tell you this moisturizer is meant for oily skin too. So pick that type of moisturizer. If you have dry skin, go for more creamier textured moisturizer. Moisturizers that are going to help to hydrate your skin very well. If you have normal skin, you can use any type of moisturizers that you want. If you have combination skin, that means you have oily and dry skin, go for moisturizers that are hydrating. Okay, the next step is sunscreen. This is the step that most beginners forget. Sunscreen protects your skin from sun damage, premature aging, and dark spots. Look for a broad spectrum with at least SPF 30. When choosing your sunscreen, go for sunscreen that you see SPF 30 or SPF 50. Okay, don't go for anything below that. Apply your sunscreen every morning, even if you're at home. Seriously, still apply your sunscreen because you actually need it. Once you get comfortable with this 3-step routine, you can now add extras like serum, toners, and treatment for acne and dark spot. As a beginner, try to stick to these 3 basics because when you jump to start adding the extras, you might make mistake. That is why I'm asking you to stick to these 3 basic steps, because when you stick to this basic step and you are now comfortable with it, we now start adding the extras. You're going to know the one that is good for you. You're going to know the one that is not good for you. And to tell you the truth, consistency is the key to seeing results. And that, my friend, is a simple beginner friendly skincare routine you can start today. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please in the comment section tell us your current skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay glowing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.